At 7 a.m., my smart alarm rings. I reach to snooze and it snaps. Good morning, loser. Slacking again today? I'm wide awake. Say that again? Calm as ever, it goes on. 3 days of snooze. At this rate, tardiness is your job. I plead, 5 more minutes. It replies, you said that yesterday, woke up at noon. About to smash it, it plays a memo. Reminder, morning meeting. HR will scold you if you're late. I surrender, sit up, and it adds, what wakes you up isn't dreams, but my nagging. Thanks for the tough love alarm. Quote of the day. There's no morning you can't wake up to, only alarms not brutal enough.